Be back soon. Love you.
Love you.
Good morning, everybody. Good day, actually. Got done with work, and now I'm on to the mission. Got some tape to seal up that vent that I took off the wall yesterday, and now it's time for phase number 2. It's the phase that I am not looking forward to. This deck, as awesome as it is, as big as it is, it's covering up something very important, and that is the dryer vent. I need to get down in there to check it out to make sure that's not plugged on this side. Some people suggesting that I need to get under there and check it out, so... It actually does look kind of plugged. Looks like it could be. What if that's how water got in? What if it like splashed up? It was like coming down off the deck, it was like psh, 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 and over time maybe that's where the water goes. Maybe it like drips from the deck into like the seal of it and somehow gets down the tube. But it was wet all the way up the tube, so certainly a possibility. But either way, looks like I need a screwdriver of some sort to take the vent off and clear that side of it. Who wants to go under the deck with me? I don't want to go under there. Spiders, back problems. That's what's under the deck. Got my tools. Got some spider webs to deal with. That's okay. I gotta do it. I'm headed under. Wish me luck. The path of least resistance. It's a big spider web right there. Oh my goodness. Oh, I wonder if I could go from that angle. I feel like that'd be a little easier. Approaching from a different angle should be good. I gotta crawl through this grossness. Maybe I should put on some pants. Yeah, I'm not liking this. That's a spider in my path. There's a spider on the ground right there too. Oh no. I don't know if I can do this. Clearing webs. Clearing spiders and webs. Figure this is how you do it. There's definitely moments in there I'm like, nope, not doing it. We're just going to buy some clotheslines, and that's how we're doing it from now on. But then I thought, winter's coming, rain happens, we live on a dirt road, so there's dust everywhere, there's so many bugs. That just doesn't sound like a good time either. Trying to get over my fear of spiders right now. Like I started panicking there for a second when I started seeing them. They just seem like they're everywhere. I put my hat on to secure the hoodie so that no spiders get up in my hair. I do have an irrational fear of spiders. This is my spider sweeper. All right. Wow. It's so plugged. Don't look around. Don't look around. Oh, is that all I had to do? Look at that. The whole thing was completely plugged. No wonder nothing was coming out. How does it look now, though? Oh, wow. That was all water. Back in the basement, looks like I did knock some through, not a lot. All right, got it all put back together. I'm gonna load up some clothes, did some laundry, gonna load it up and see if we have airflow. See if I can smell that nice laundry smell on the other side. See, or if it's that same burning. I don't think it'll be that same smell because I did clear out all the lint, so I'm just hoping I didn't like miss a clog somewhere. wiggling. Is that a good sign that there's airflow? A wiggle? Let's see if there's good things happening out here. I think I smell the laundry. Where's up my hands? It's been a day of making things happen. Really making things happen. So now it's time for some coffee and it's time to go. We're just gonna take Braylee somewhere. We have to get Braylee out of the house today. We're gonna get Braylee out of the house today and find something fun to do. That's the goal. And that's what we're doing. Stanley Cup champions! Yeah! Woo! Time to get the coffee started. Tastes like greatness. Braylee's been spending a lot of time downstairs with Stacy, and now it's time to get them and get going. Very good news. $10. $10 I didn't even know I had. Dryer dried in a good amount of time. Seems to be working just fine. No weird smells. Mission accomplished. I am planning on replacing that pipe because it's the old and not safe type pipe. Now I know where some of the water went. Yeah, that's a hole. And that's a massive spider home right there. It goes all the way over there. Looks like my dryer vent project went from this low on my priority list to this high on my priority list. It just went straight to the top. The lint from the dryer probably went straight into the laundry room, or straight into the mechanical room. Well, at least I got one load of laundry done, right? We got ourselves ready. Ready to go try out something new on this fantastic day. Maybe we'll hear some music too. Hippie, you wanna go to the park?
Go today?
We actually just stayed home. Did some work on the dryer. You're bailing out, Braylee?
I did. Whoa.
You've been here before, right? Yeah. Blue
She's just
or white?
White.
Britta's actually drinking or eating her non-vanilla ice cream today. That's fantastic. That's mine? Oh, thanks. Yep. Cheers. Let's go. So we had to leave the Bavarian garden just because Braylee was really into the plants there, and she, as you've seen at home, she likes picking with leaves and stuff, and we didn't want her to do that there, and she was getting really upset about it. So we just traveled back to the car to cool down, and now back to the playground.
Yeah, and there's also other plants there that are getting old with where the leaves are falling off.
Mm-hmm.
So she could pick those ones.
She can pick them?
Yeah.
Oh.
She could, but you would have to ask
Yeah.
to see where they're at. Because that's what my mom said, is that there's plants there that you can pick.
Yeah.
That they're getting old and...
That might help her next time we go over there, or even if we go back over there. We kind of zoomed all the way to home really fast, mostly because I just didn't record much more. So we ended up just staying around the park for the rest of the time out and hang out with our friends. Had some good quality time, you know. Weeding our sunflower garden, really stimming with her stem plants over there, and wow, looks like I didn't take care of this weed for a really long time. That's a big one. Ugh. Yeah, we're just hanging out a little bit before I start work here shortly. I felt like I accomplished some things today, and even got to experience a new place called Bavarian Gardens. A really cool place. I can't wait to go back. Braylee was really interested in picking the plants there. I think that's why she's doing it over there now at home. And I'm sure we'll be back there. Good coffee, good pizza, good night. We'll see you in the next video.